The demo worked, the team applauded. 3 months later, that same system is in production. And you cannot say, with a straight face, whether it's getting better or worse. That's not a prompt problem. It's an infrastructure problem. Prompt engineering is a real craft, but it hits a ceiling the moment AI behavior stops being one person's job and becomes something the whole organization depends on. Craft can't guarantee good answers across thousands of cases as models update and people rotate off. What answers it is infrastructure, and it has a name: quality harness engineering. The reliability stack around AI behavior, a sibling to the coding agent harness engineering you may have read about, not a rival. And it has a discoverable shape. 4 layers. Layer 1. Behavioral specification. Define what the AI should do as a reusable artifact. Instructions, examples, rules, all packaged. Anthropic's agent skills are one current illustration. A prompt is a request. A skill is a contract. And you can validate a contract. Layer 2. Behavioral validation. Most systems don't measure, they have a vibes layer. You remember the good outputs, forget the bad ones. Layer 2 kills that. Golden datasets, regression suites, run the same test twice. Anthropic's Evals illustrate it. Now, did quality improve? Has an answer. Layer 3. Automatic behavioral improvement. Close the loop. The system proposes edits, tests them against your eval suite, keeps the wins, rejects the regressions. Microsoft's SkillOpt is one illustration. This is CI/CD for AI behavior. It removes the one resource that doesn't scale: human prompt maintenance. Layer 4. Programmable backend systems. When a single skill isn't enough, multi-stage retrieval, routing, scoring, orchestration. Stanford's DSPY is one illustration. This layer is valuable later. Jumping to it first is one of the most expensive mistakes an AI program makes. Here's the move to refuse, picking one layer as if it replaces the others. It doesn't. Each layer does work the other 3 can't. The 4 complement each other. This is not a framework war. Why now? As frontier models converge, the differentiator stops being which model you have access to. It becomes what reliability infrastructure you built around it. We need a quality harness. Engineering capability is a defensible budget line. We need better prompt engineers is not. You don't need all 4 layers to start. Install 1 and 2. Operationalize one workflow, put one eval suite against it, and live there. Add 3 and 4 where the pain actually appears. The companies that install this early are the ones whose AI programs still exist and still improve in 3 years. The discipline has a name now. The real question is which layer you install next. That's the one that matters.